Hi everybody, happy Friday. I wanted to post my video today, trying to get ahead of the game instead of always posting on Monday, which I feel like for me personally is posting late. So I'm trying to lead by example because we're having some challenges with some students submitting their assignments late, and some are behind an assignment or two. So I just wanted to try and get ahead of the game to hopefully encourage all of you who are challenged or struggling with, getting your stuff in on time to get ahead of the game with me. That being said, I would just like to say welcome to week 7. And the big thing to talk about this week is you have your mid-semester evaluation that you're going to complete on me. So I encourage you to please, please, please. I know it seems like, oh, I don't have time for that, but it is helpful to me to let me know if what I'm doing works. If you feel like you're, getting any benefit at all out of this, and giving me feedback on what you feel like if I could do more or do something different, what you think I should do. So that would be helpful. Also, a lot of, I think I have like 4 or 5 recording case presentations in at this point. They've been really, really good. So I've enjoyed reading them. So please keep up the good work, guys. I know you all have it in you to be able to do the quality of work that is expected. So keep up the good work with that. And then lastly, just some people are still missing learning contracts, and I wanted to send out a reminder that you have to do a new learning contract for this semester. You don't have to recreate the wheel. You can take the contract that you have and tweak it, change it, fix the dates, and resubmit it. It should not be that difficult, but I just wanted to make sure that you weren't forgetting that. All right. And then if you, of course, as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. Oh, the other thing is, I've scheduled with probably 99% of you your site visit call. So I appreciate everybody getting back to me so quickly. If you're watching this video and you have not scheduled your call, you need to reach out to me. And that's the end of my crazy video today. So I'll talk to you all soon, and please don't forget, do your evaluation. Thank you.